Hello everyone. Today let us learn how to avoid using the word worry. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started. Today let us learn 15 words. Very smart means intelligent. Instead of using very smart, we use the word intelligent. Very cold. Freezing. Very cold. Freezing. Very careful. Cautious. Very careful. Cautious. Very clear. Obvious. Very clear. Obvious. Very nice. Kind. Very nice. Instead of using very, we can use these words. Old. Ancient. Very old is ancient. Very often. Frequent. Very often is frequently. Very deep. Profound. Very deep is profound. Very beautiful. Gorgeous. Very beautiful is gorgeous. Very creative. Innovative. Very creative means innovative. Very poor. Destitute. Very poor is destitute. Very big. Massive. Very big means massive. Very funny. Hilarious. Very funny is hilarious. Very cute. Adorable. Very cute means adorable. Very warm. Hot. Very warm means hot. These are the 15 words we can use instead of very. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. You can also find more words on our channel Roshan Ronaldo. Thank you.